Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'll show you a solution for a connection to the remote computer could not be established actually while when you create a VPN build in a Windows operating system settings. So you will face this kind of error, and that's it. I'll show you a solution for this issue. Just right click on this PC and go into the properties, then device manager. Now here you need to find the network adapters. That's it. Now just delete all these WAN adapters like WAN mini port, WAN. After uninstalling all these WAN adapters, now just click on the research option, scan for hardware changes. Just click on the action and just click on it, then it will reinstall automatically. That's it guys. Now just click on the bottom icons, then select your VPN, click on connect. If you are not getting a VPN connection here, that means you did not created yet. So just click on the Windows icon, then settings, now network and internet. Now click on the VPN on the left side, then in the right side just click on the add VPN and just add here the VPN detail. If you don't know, just check out my ended video corner, so you will get the video link. Just watch it, how to create a VPN and access it. Have a good day. Bye bye.